Hello everyone, my name is Kenny. This is my wall mount computer. If you remember about a year ago, we went ahead and filled this bad boy up with some EK-CryoFuel. This is the solid azure blue, the blue goop. Look at it. This thing's literally been running nonstop for a year now in this whole loop. Aside from occasional power outages or if it had an update that it automatically rebooted itself. So I'm going to drain out a little bit of this stuff and see kind of what it looks like compared to stuff that's just been sitting in the bottle versus stuff that's been sitting in here. But we'll go ahead and take a closer look at this whole setup here. According to the bottle here on the back, it says it has a 2-year shelf life. I guess I don't know how that translates into constant use in an environment versus a sealed container. But we'll go ahead and loosen this up here a bit and see what she's made of. Put a little rag down to catch any excess spillage. Drain valve, not leaking. This is warm. It is running and running. Oh, this is... Oh, Nelly. See, I knew that'd make a mess. She's a squirter. Oh, is it? It's like flowing right past it. What the heck? What phenomenon is this? Science nerds? So I'm guessing it has to do with a little bit of pressure. We'll open that up so we can get a little bit more. Wow, look at that. Oh boy. Why is it so under pressure? I suppose because it's a sealed loop, but I guess, is it that sealed? All right, let's go take a look at it. Well, guys, I know this isn't super scientific, but honestly, like I don't honestly see or feel anything like weird or not good about it. We'll have to take a closer look at the loop itself, which we'll do at the end of this video, but and see if there's any visible signs of issues, clogging or anything else. But as far as it's been over the year, I have not had any issues with it, the flow or anything like that. But the fluid itself, I guess it looks a little bit, maybe a little bit dirtier and stuff, but like honestly, like the consistency and everything seems about the same. Like everything seems good. So in my opinion, this stuff is plenty fine to use in your loop if you're going to run it for a very long time. I still love this stuff to death. But yeah, you guys, like I said, big fan of CryoFuel. I like it a lot. I'll definitely keep using it. I'm not afraid to have it in my loop. Loop maintenance on a water-cooled thing is a good thing anyway. So if you take it apart and clean it and replace the tubing or something like that, if you use soft tube like me because you like using this stuff, or do a thorough cleaning on it every once in a while, awesome. But this is kind of just a longevity stress test kind of thing, if you will. That's not scientific at all by any means, but this is just kind of my observations, and I'll keep using it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this stuff, if you use it yourself, how long you've been using it. Like I said, this rig has been running 24/7 it's my server rig for backup stuff and Plex and everything else. So the thing works. The thing does its job, and it's kind of busting its ass. So let's go take a look at the computer itself. Otherwise, like, comment, consider subscribing, share, all that stuff. Sorry I don't do this stuff as often as I used to, but stay with me. We'll try and do more for you. Let's go in for a deeper, closer look. Looks like there's some like calcification or something building up there. I'm not really sure. But it's really hard to tell because obviously this stuff is a solid color. You can see in the block what looks to be some sort of maybe some buildup in there or whatever. You got some air trapped in there, but the wheel is still spinning just fine. As far as the block up here, I don't really see anything obstructing, or these aren't like the finest jets like in the GPU block, but there you go. And as you can see, this thing is dirty, it's dusty, it's filthy, but there it is. It's running. It's still running. It's keeping cool. I still love CryoFuel, you guys. I love it. I'll keep using it. I love the colors. They hold up pretty good too. It looks pretty much the same still. Take it easy, guys. Be well.